Okay, this is the third time that I've looked at it. We've got the cake on the turbo. I've looked at it three times now. Put it on at 2. It's now 7 o'clock. So because of the heat, it's just not staying in it because it's so dense. And it's looking like it's not looking too bad. Oh, it's even got bubbles in it. It's even got bubbles in it. So yeah, we're still a bit gooey. I'm going to leave it for another hour or so. The heat's in it, so I'll give it another crack in an hour.